What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So ngayon, pag-usapan natin kung anong dapat i-clarify. Alright, kailangan natin i-clarify sa ating negosyo, okay? Ito, dagdag lang naman to, is yung delivery at guarantees, okay? Kumbaga, dapat ma-clarify natin yung clarify natin yung ating delivery, okay? Anong oras, at ito ba talaga ay order nyo? At the same time, guarantees. Pero hindi naman yung sobrang guaranteed talaga na ganito, ganyan. Yung iba kasi exaggerated eh. Kumbaga yung kaya nating ibigay, ipadala. Okay? Kumbaga yung expected natin at mas maganda ang aking suggested is yung suggestion is yung kumbaga yung deliver natin o kaya yung parang promise natin is mas mataas pa doon sa expectation nila. Okay? Kasi kailangan natin maging perfect, passion by perfection. Okay? Hindi naman sa kailangan natin maging perfect, but ang ibig ko sabihin is yung quality. Okay? If you want to buy this book, ito Facebook page official link dyan sa description. Message lang po kayo. Salamat po and God bless.